Okay, dude. So it's find the degrees, right? So sine degree equals to half. And he told us over here, sine equals to y. So what degrees have one, what degrees does y equal to 1/2? So when we go 30, we just go 150. That's negative. Don't mind my nails, they're already ugly. So 30 y equals to 1/2, and 150 y equals to 1/2, because that's x and that's y. So 30 and 150. So number 2, tangent degree equals to 0. Tangent, he told us, was y divided by x. So what I did, I had to divide. So I just guessed. So like not guess, but guess. Because when you divide it, you're gonna get a 0. So for what answer will you get 0? What the ones that, what's it called? The ones that have 0, right? So which ones have 0? 0 degree. And which other one has 0? 180. Because it's the degree of 0. Because if you divide these, when you divide these, you're not going to get 0. That you're going to get 1. That's like you. Which ones are whole numbers? So it would be these 1 comma 10, 1 comma 0. So that's for that one. So this one, the same thing. Tangent is x over y, and which degree do you get for -1? So I did the same thing. Like I told you right now, that's -1, right? So this one you will get +1 because they're the same numbers. So what I did, I was like, you know what, which one it could be? This one, because they have to be the same numbers, and it has one negative. Negative times a positive is a negative, so that's going to be -1. So then which other one has the same numbers, but only one's negative? This one. One's negative and it has the same number, so that's going to be -1. And if you calculate it in the calculator, you can put square root of 2 divided by 2, get the decimal, then whatever answer you get, put divided by, it's 0.7 something. So put divided by -0.7. Get the decimals and then divide them, and you're going to get -1. So we did 2. So 5 sine is y. So which 2 degrees have y equals to negative square root of 3 over 2? So which 2 degrees does y equal to, because sine is y, negative square root of 3 over 2. So -3 square root of 2, -3 square root of 2. 240, 300. Y, -3 square root of 2. So 240, 300. 3. Cosine is x. Which degree does x equal to negative square root of 2 over 2? So x negative square root of 2, x negative square root of 2, 135. X negative square root of 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. So 135 and 225. So 135 and 225, because that is supposed to be x. Cosine is x, and you can see over here, x. So 6, cosine again, x. Which degree does x equal to -1/2? So x, -1/2. 120, x is -1/2. 240, -1/2. 120, 240. So for tangent, you basically have to divide it. So you have to figure it out. So I got 0 and 180 because they're like whole numbers, right? If you divide fractions, you're gonna get decimals, and with whole numbers you're gonna get 0 because they have 0 in it. And for this one over here, where you get a negative one, like I told you, I did the I did the ones that were the same number, the same fraction, but one was negative. Because I mean, it can be this one because it's positive. Those are positive. That one isn't the same number. Like the same, as long as they're the same fraction and it's negative, you're gonna get -1. And I did it in the calculator. I figured that out, got them in decimals, and then divided them. So yeah, dude.